Fabulous food. Today we're making a big pot of cook-up rice. This is all the ingredients. We have ginger, sweet, seasoning pepper, garlic, onion, celery. That's thyme, the big thyme, broadleaf thyme, lots of green onion, and that's all the ingredients. And we have the beans here. Pigeon peas, freshly peeled. Look really nice. And we have some plantain, we'll add it here. That's the rice. Red lentil peas here. Carrots in here. Everything ready for the pot. Looks really nice. And we have some thyme here. Add in some oil. 4 teaspoons of oil. Seasoned pepper, onion, green onion, ginger.
Wow.
Looking nice, Kato.
Yeah. Very fresh.
Everything is so fresh from the farm.
But that's the vegetable.
There is some celery here, parsley.
Wow.
Broadleaf thyme.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah.
There.
Very delicious. Wow.
Look at that, Kato.
Wow.
Looking fresh. Everything is fresh.
Today, wow.
Today we're cooking cook-up.
Yeah, cook-up.
Pigeon peas cook-up with red lentil.
Yeah.
This is my little helper.
Hi.
She's a sweetie. She's on her stool. Look in the pot, Kato. How is it looking?
Very delicious.
Looking nice, and it smells good. All the seasoning,
All the
huh?
ingredients. Wow.
Smells so good.
And then we have the carrots.
Yeah, you're gonna eat the cook-up, right?
Yeah.
You love cook-up, right?
Yeah.
Good.
So,
I'm adding the carrot now. Fresh carrot from the farm.
wow.
Everything is so fresh.
I know. Very nice. Pass it?
Yeah, fast. Add in a teaspoon of salt.
Wow. It's very full of.
Add in the pigeon peas. Oh my God, so fresh.
Oh my God, that looks delicious. Wow.
Add in the red lentil too.
What the lentil pieces.
Red lentil.
Yeah.
Look at the color, Kato.
Wow, it's very vibrant.
Yeah.
It looks very yummy. Very nice.
We're adding some cook-up seasoning. This is a new one. I never seen this before.
Wow. Let's add it, guys.
Adding in the whole pack.
Wow, that looks very yummy.
And now we're having some sazon. Sazon. A whole pack too, because it's a lot of cook-up. 2 cups of rice.
Yep.
With 1 cup of lentil, the red lentil, half a cup of pigeon peas.
Yeah.
We're adding the 4 cubes
The cubes, wow.
that we open.
Wow, it's so cute.
Look at the color. Oh my God, Kato, this smells so good. Did you see the color?
I know, it's so nice. Wow.
Add in the rice.
Wow. Very nice. It looks very delicious right now.
Yep, turn everything up. How it's looking, Kato? Looking good?
Very delicious.
Colorful.
Yeah, it's very delicious looking. Very good. I love it. It looks very nice.
I love the way it looks.
Yes. This will be a nice cook-up. A very good one.
Yeah, you're trying my food here.
Yeah, we have a big family.
Big family. Big family today.
Yeah.
We're cooking for everyone today.
Yep.
For your whole family.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, it's very tasty.
Add in a teaspoon of sugar. Sugar, give it a good taste.
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to squeeze the freshly coconut.
Okay. Unpause.
Okay, now.
Yes, guys.
This is 3 coconut. We're squeezing the coconut juice, the coconut milk.
Yes, guys. Here we are. Squeezing the coconut there.
Look at the milk.
Oh, yeah. That milk looks nice. There we have it. The coconut.
You're gonna get so much basin. Hold on, you pass, right?
Nope.
Straining the coconut milk.
Wow.
So fresh. Milk, this is like 6 cups. We'll add 2 more cups. We're adding the rest of the coconut milk.
Oh, that looks very delicious. Yeah.
Oh my god, Kato.
Yeah, that
Looking so nice.
I know. It looks very delicious.
And the color is so nice.
Yes. Wow.
We'll let it boil. Covering it, let it boil. Boil for like 15 minutes. Stay tuned.
Okay, ready.
Meanwhile, the cook-up is cooking. We're gonna try this, me and Kato.
Wow.
So nice. We went to a chow tal singing last night and we got this.
Wow.
Look at that, gulab jamun.
Oh my gosh.
You want to eat this?
Yes, I
Yeah,
do.
she wants to eat this one. And look at all the goodies here.
Oh, wow.
So nice. Look.
Wow.
Gulab jamun with sweet rice.
Wow.
We're waiting for the cook-up, so we will have some snacks here.
Wow, that's very fantastic.
Guys. Oh my god, so good. So good.
Me try the gulab jamun. Okay.
Kato is trying the gulab jamun with the sweet rice.
Wow, it's very delicious.
You like it?
Yeah.
She loved this together. The gulab jamun with sweet rice inside. Let's see, Kato. Hey, take a picture. Green seasoning, thyme, celery, broadleaf thyme, garlic, ginger. Add in more seasoning, 2 teaspoons.
Wow, guys.
Looking nice. Add in some plantain, green plantain. I love green plantain inside.
Wow, guys, it's looking nice.
Really nice. I love plantain inside. Add in some bhaji leaf here. Add in more bhaji leaf. Healthy, healthy. Cook up looking nice. Cook up looking so nice. Add in some okra. Okra for me and Anjani. Healthy eating. Just steam it up. Looking nice, cook up. Look really nice. Add in some Chinese sauce. Six teaspoons. This will give it a nice taste. Cook up look really nice. Lots of vegetable inside. Okra, spinach, carrot, celery, red lentil, pigeon peas, lots of goodies. Looking really good. And now I added some Chinese sauce. Give it a good flavor. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Cook up has a little bit more. Thank you so much. See you in our next video. Bye bye. Tastes good, Kato.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Really good.
Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like it how it turns out. Please subscribe and like this video.